How did historical food failures shape modern food recall systems? Imagine biting into a piece of food and suddenly feeling sick. That's what early food safety failures caused, and they pushed us to create better ways to protect consumers. When large outbreaks happened, they revealed serious gaps in how food was produced and checked. These incidents made regulators and companies realize they needed stricter rules and faster responses. One of the first big wake-up calls was in 1973, when contaminated canned mushrooms in the United States caused an outbreak. Over 75 million cans had to be pulled from shelves. This event showed how quickly contaminated food could reach many people and the importance of quick action. It was a turning point that started the idea of systematic recalls. Later, in 1993, a major outbreak of E. coli bacteria linked to Jack in the Box hamburgers caused severe illness in over 700 people and for deaths. This crisis exposed weaknesses in meat processing and cooking standards. It led to new laws requiring higher cooking temperatures and better supplier controls. The company's response, including switching suppliers and paying medical bills, set a new standard for corporate responsibility during recalls. Other outbreaks, like the 1996 Odwalla apple juice, E. coli incident, and various salmonella and listeriosis cases, showed that contamination could happen in both raw and processed foods. These events emphasize that preventing contamination is better than just reacting after it happens. In response, the government created more comprehensive food safety rules. The 1996 Pathogen Reduction and Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Point Systems rule was a key development. It made companies identify hazards early and put controls in place to prevent contamination before it reached consumers. This approach is called HACCP, and it helps companies monitor critical points in food production to catch problems early. Today's food recall systems relying on several key elements. Agencies like the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention track outbreaks and identify sources quickly. Laws now requiring detailed labels and traceability so contaminated products can be found and removed fast. When a problem is found, rapid alerts and consumer notices are sent out to stop more people from getting sick. Companies are expected to act quickly and be transparent, recalling products and helping affected consumers. All these improvements stem from lessons learned during past food safety failures. They showed us what can happen when controls are weak or responses are slow. Now, modern systems are designed to catch problems early, trace contaminated foods, and protect everyone from unsafe products. These systems keep evolving with new technology and stricter rules, all to keep our food safe and prevent history from repeating itself.